Hi, I'm Matt Jantos, owner of NewCom Audio Video Systems, providing technology solutions for clients here in Southwest Florida. If you've ever wanted to know about the Ubiquiti ecosystem, their routers, switches, cameras, wireless access points, you've come to the right place. We're going to talk to you today about their technologies and how it can help your life either at your home or your business. Ubiquiti is a technology company that builds professional-grade networking and security equipment, but at a price and simplicity level that works great for homes and small businesses. What makes Ubiquiti stand out is how seamlessly its products work together. While there are separate apps for networking, cameras, and access control, each one is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Whether you're managing Wi-Fi, checking camera footage, or adjusting smart door access, Ubiquiti gives you powerful tools without overwhelming complexity. Unified gateways, like the UDM and UDR, act as both the router and the central brain of your entire network. They handle your internet connection, provide strong firewall protection, manage all of your connected devices, and include built-in threat detection. These gateways are powerful, reliable, and designed to run for years, making them the backbone of any Ubiquiti setup. UniFi switches distribute wired connections throughout your home or business. They come in different sizes, from small 5-port models to large 48-port racks. If you ever had Wi-Fi dead zones or slow speeds, a properly designed wired backbone makes a huge difference. UniFi access points are the Wi-Fi radios that give you strong, reliable, and stable wireless coverage. They're known for their excellent range, fast speeds, seamless roaming, and clean, modern design. Instead of relying on a single router in a closet, we place access points strategically around your property for full Wi-Fi coverage. Ubiquiti offers a complete lineup of UniFi Protect cameras and doorbells for both indoor and outdoor security. You'll find high-resolution 4K options, smart doorbells with AI detection, and fully local recording with no monthly fees. All footage is stored on your own hardware, like the UniFi NVR, UDM Pro, or UNVR, so your video stays private and accessible even during an internet outage. The Protect app makes everything simple. Scroll through your timeline, zoom in on details, download clips, and receive smart alerts, all without relying on a cloud subscription. Ubiquiti has expanded far beyond networking, now offering UniFi access for door entry control, UniFi Talk for business phone systems, UniFi LED for smart lighting, and even UniFi EV chargers. They've also introduced UniFi Enterprise AV, a high-bandwidth audio-video switching platform designed for conference rooms, media distribution, and commercial installations. All these products tie into the same UniFi ecosystem, creating one of the most complete and unified technology platforms available today. We have been installing Ubiquiti systems for years, from the initial design to the rough wiring, the installation of the cameras, the wireless access points, the routers, and of course, customer follow-up. We make the system installed for you very easy to understand, and it provides a lot of value for you. If you would like some more information on Ubiquiti or our services, please give us a call. In Southwest Florida, we can be reached at 239-243-0486. In New Jersey and Pennsylvania, 609-397-6838, or go to our website, www.newcomav.com.